Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Counting number 1 to 5. Brown color, dark green color, violet color, light pink color, blue color, pink color, sky blue color, peacock green color, green color, yellow color, red color, orange color. Pink color. 1. Number 1. One circle. One number, one circle, pink color. Blue color. Two, number 2. One circle, two circle. Two number, two circle, 1, 2. Blue color. Red color. 3. Number 3. One circle, two circle, three circle. Red color. Peacock green color. 4. Number 4. One circle, two circle, three circle, four circle. Four number, four circle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Peacock green color, violet color, five. Number 5. Two, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number, 5 circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pink color, blue color, red color, peacock green color, violet color. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. One number, one circle. Two number, two circle, 1, 2. Three number, three circle, 1, 2, 3. 4 number, 4 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 number, 5 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.